And on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be unboxing some phones I got on eBay. So let's get started. I also wanted to pass on my condolences to George Floyd and his family over the incident that happened. So here we go. I'm going to start with these ones. I bought these all three individually. This is the Motorola. Let's see, I'm not too sure. It says engineering use only, not for resale. That's pretty weird. I think it's the Photon, if I remember right. The Sprint device. Don't think I have a battery for it either. The next one is actually one I ordered for parts or to fix the other one I have because it's in pretty rough shape. So it's the Samsung A850. Here's the one I have that I got in a lot. It's really beat up, so I went ahead and ordered this one to hopefully make some parts together to fix one of these. So this one's kind of like a grayish color, kind of like it. And then we have this one, which is a Motorola Razr K1M. Really ordered it because I really just figured I'll take parts off it because I do got another one for sale, or for another one that I'm trying to fix. Then I have another one I'm trying to sell on eBay pretty soon, so I have a whole bunch of Razrs, so I need to get rid of a couple of them. It's in really good shape. Here's the eBay guy I bought it from. It's in really good shape, as you can tell. Untested, but it's got the CDMA black keypad, so that's basically the reason I got it. It's really sticky on the back. Let's see, it might tell us what carrier it is on the sticker. No, it doesn't. But there's that unboxing, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll give an update as well. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.